Affordable holiday accommodation welcomes you to Charlie's of ASHBY. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse is perfect for your stay when visiting Wanneroo, Joondalup, northern suburbs and Perth area. Set in a quiet, peaceful residential neighbourhood, this home away from home is parent-friendly, child-friendly and pet-friendly. It is clean and beautifully presented modern townhouse. Really modern and clean throughout, says Jacques from Belgium. Has an outdoor dining in the Alfresco area with barbecue, free fast Wi-Fi, DVDs, TV local channels, toys, books and games for the children. Air conditioned throughout. It also has full laundry facilities, washer, dryer and ironing. Small pets are welcome and our rates are based on 2 adults. You're welcome to join us at Charlie's of ASHBY.